Are you like me in that you're annoyed to the nth degree with the Facebook Marketplace Assistant, always giving you reminders to relist things and maybe drop the price or whatever? Yeah, makes me insane. I always have a lot of stuff for sale on Marketplace, and the last thing I need is this Zuckerberg bot bugging me all the time. How do you turn it off? Well, it's pretty easy. We'll do it first on the desktop, as you can see here, and then we'll follow up and do it again on your phone. So whichever you're using, you'll get through. It's pretty easy. So on the desktop version, what you need to do is go into Facebook Marketplace, then get into Messenger, and then Facebook Marketplace Assistant comes up. Just click on the words at the top, Facebook Marketplace Assistant, and here you can turn this guy off just by clicking block. Another option is to click the drop down here and select mute notifications, but I want him off. Can't stand the assistant. Bye, block all calls and messages. Don't want to hear anything from the Marketplace Assistant ever again. That's correct. Oh, thank God. Now all of those alerts are gone. Now, if you want to do it on your phone, pretty easy. You can see I've got this. It looks like it's been listed for 2 weeks, blah, blah, blah. Annoying. So how do you turn off the Facebook Marketplace Assistant on your phone? Go into your messages in Messenger, click on the Facebook Marketplace Assistant, then click the eye in the top right-hand corner. Actually, just click anything along the top here. It all takes you to the same place. And then down to notifications and sounds, just turn them off. That'll do it. So hey, if you found the video useful, big thumbs up. It'd be super appreciated. Subscribe's also appreciated. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.